Importance of asking the right question from your potential customer or client to whom you are going to sell your product or you are selling your service. Now, who I am to explain this topic? My name is Aryan Mishra, personal branding consultant, social media marketer, and love to do sales as well. I hope you all are doing so well in your life. So let's continue with the topic. Now, before asking a right question, you need to clear with one thing. What's that? You need to have total database of your customer. You need to know about his personal life, his business life, and everything you need to know about that. Then you can clear with this thing how to ask a right question. When you know about your client, what they want, what they not, then you will able to explain about your product, isn't it? Yes. If yes, then you can write in comment section as well. Now, what are the importance of asking right question? First one is they love to interact with those who are asking right question. You need to have little funny moment in the conversation, in chats or in call, like haha, yes. These moments create a special interaction from where they think you are a genuine guy. And second thing, they eager to know about your product. Now you interacted with them and now they definitely eager to know what's your product and how your product gonna help them. So this is the second thing, and the third one is they will be your future customer as well. Assume that they enrolled in your course or they purchased your product. Now they are in your email list, they are in your contact list, and the most important thing, they are in your heart list. Heart list means heart to heart connection. They know about you, you have a good interaction with them. You can sell them in future as well whenever you are going to launch a new product. I hope you all are clear with these three importance of asking the right question. Now I am signing off. You can follow me on Instagram for more amazing content, and bye bye. Thank you so much.